again, my followers. Still, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to actually handle on YouTube, because YouTube is one of the social media accessibility app which you can market your goods. You can educate people on YouTube. You can actually do everything, or you can advertise your business on YouTube. So guys, before I go any further, let me just go straight away to YouTube. YouTube helps you actually in everything. Your videos, in case you want to make your videos, you can still keep on YouTube, your YouTube account. They will still, even if you lose your phone, you can still log to your account and you get your YouTube videos there. So guys, you can come to your Chrome here. Yeah, you can come to your Chrome, or maybe like if you can still go to YouTube. If you have your apps here, maybe let's see if you have. Okay, yeah, now you can access your YouTube here. There is also the apps here. You can you just go direct to YouTube. YouTube is here. Wait. First and foremost, you can still check if your internet is not connected very well. Check your internet connection. It's not connecting. Still, you can still come back if your internet is not connecting. You can still go there and you type maybe YouTube. You can still YouTube channel. It's already showing here. YouTube channel. Just go there. If you want to use your YouTube, there, those videos are already there. So this is your YouTube. It will show you there. Now you can still now open it here. There's already a channel there indicating YouTube. Guys, your YouTube is there. Yeah, you can see videos that people have made here. The videos are here already. Just wait, it's still loading. Tutorial on how to use Google Translation. There are your YouTube videos here that have come. But if you want maybe to see your if you want your like me, I want to see my account, to log to my account. It's here. Here you go, there's a photo already there. If you want to log to my account is here. If you want my videos here, so this is my account. So I can still go back. This is my account. There are people here. If you want to search what and so forth, there are many here. So you can still go back here. If you want to go back. So yeah, if you want to create a YouTube video, it is here. If you want to upload your video, it is there. If you want maybe to create a post here, if you want maybe there are very many things here. If you want music, Google Live, if you want live videos, they are here. You can still watch videos here. Let's assume first of all we see Bobi Wine campaigning. Bobi Wine is here.
Your email is your first online impression. Make it count. With GoDaddy Email, you get a professional address that matches your domain. It builds trust, boosts credibility, and helps grow.
So you can see very important. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would like to stop here for now. Have a nice day.